All right, let's do this. People always ask me why I started Miik, and it all started with a really ugly skirt. I'm not kidding. My husband read this article in Green Living magazine and it was telling me all about slow fashion and was like, you need to start a clothing line. I was like, I already have a business. And all of a sudden he comes home with this bamboo skirt and it was orange, not my style. I absolutely hated the skirt, but as soon as I felt that fabric, I was like prancing around the kitchen. It felt so amazing against my skin. I ended up wearing that skirt all summer. Can you imagine if I had something that was beautiful in this fabric? I think for me, the thing that got me to take this really seriously is my own experience. I would walk into the mall and I would just be overwhelmed with choice. And then I would find that the options available to me seemed to be either for my teenage daughter or for my mother. I couldn't find anything that was sort of felt like it was for me. I'd try stuff on and I'd like it, but it didn't have any stretch to it, or it wasn't soft, it was scratchy against my skin. This has now become the foundation for Miik. It really is. Our clothes are soft, they're comfortable, and they are stretchy. Our blazers are as stretchy and comfortable as your pajamas or your sweats. Every single piece in our collection is made from our own custom milled fabrics that are sustainably sourced. We custom mill all of our fabric, we design and sew everything right here in Canada. We're a women-run company. We are small, but we are nimble. We work really hard and we all put on a lot of different hats every day. But I'll tell you, we're so passionate about what we do and we actually have a blast. We have such a strong connection with our customers that it doesn't even really feel like we're a brand anymore. They kind of feel like my friends. It's a community. It really is. It's a community where we are sharing in more ways than just fashion tips. And that's a wrap.